girl in Guinea and take them with her and take back in name them for them, you know. But him never take back mine. You see me? Because me know a dog rate me. A whole heap of naming the girl and them and he take back his name them mean in terms of he reach out to them and say, yo, give me back my name or me know when set to them to Bobo Clad. You see me say girl them have to use a different name. And for them name what they usually use is a next girl of them name. Yeah, me I tell you say dog cool, you know. Me say to Bobo Clad. Yeah, bro. The man dog take way back he name them for the girl, man. What's my fantasy? Me not really have a fantasy no more. Like me live out the whole of my fantasy. Me not have a fantasy. Me literally see every single thing that's happening to sex. Everything I can think of, me seen a sex. Every single thing where you can think of, me seen a sex. The only thing me never see is a girl shit pan a man, or if a man a lick out a shit out a girl body. Me know enough man do that too. Me have a lot of man friend who have them fetish there. But them can't do it to me because them think they nasty. Me feel like that extreme. So me leave it to the people them who freaky them way they, you see me? Yeah. Me leave it to the people them who like them thing there. But when it comes on, alright, what was my fantasy? My fantasy was always to see two guys together. You see me? That was always my fantasy. To see two guys together do them thing. Many if you go to details, can almost know what that mean. And right now, it come like a norm to me right now. You understand? What me say a norm mean in terms of you see that shit every day. So it come like a norm. And me not really have no car. Woman not really. I love women. Don't get me wrong, me love women. I love women, but there's something about the man them where do you think a lot of gays in Jamaica? Girl, you can ask a question there. You can really ask a question there. 95% of Jamaican man them. I'm not gonna say gay, but no, me not gonna say 95. 85% of Jamaican man them, they aren't straight. Them not straight at all. Jamaican man them they That's why them beat the woman them so true. That's why them beat the woman them so. Psalm 6. If it stop what? Guys, it was really nice talking to you. Now come up on the live later on. So on big up on yourself. If you know you're there Portmore, you want a link up, just text me right now and I will me with them, you know. You see me? So girl, I don't know which one of them must the new breed you attack. Oh, see there little big old long seed man upon the life. I want cause we as woman true we are lick out pan and little nasty lifestyle. God forbid me love bisexual man, but brother, if you know say you not mingle with them type of lifestyle, what the fuck we are going so defensive for, bro? We are going so defensive for. Me no know where you going so defensive for. If you know so no boy not touch around your behind, You shouldn't even go on so defensive. You shouldn't even be on the live right now. I hear them as me here. Cause no for no man no claim so no straight. No claim to no straight, you know. I don't know what kind of straight you no call on yourself, you know. I don't know what kind of straight. I don't know what kind of straight that mean. Cause for no straightness I know few type of straightness. Alright guys, so why we can't bother? Alright guys, big up on yourself. It was nice talking to you. Bye.